A very good morning, dear ninth class students. Today I am continuing the topic cell, its structure and functions. In the previous class, I explained about the plant cell and animal cell and differences of plant cell. Today we are going to learn about the cell organelles which are present in the cell and their functions. See, different cell organelles. Golgi apparatus, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, nucleus, cell membrane, lysosomes, vacuole, centriole, cytoskeleton and mitochondria. Now we will learn clearly about some important cell organelles and their functions. See, this is the most important cell organelle of plant. The name of this cell organelle is chloroplast. The chloroplast has outer membrane, inner membrane, and it has stroma lamellae, stroma, inner membrane space, and granum, etc. The function of this chloroplast is concentration gradient, pigments for photosynthesis embedded in the membranes and make starch or sugars. In other words, these are the food materials. Let us see some more points of the chloroplast. I told you already the labels of chloroplast, the parts of the chloroplast: outer membrane and the granum, lumen, stroma, thylakoid membranes, inner membrane. Chloroplast composed with 3 layers. Now see the functions of the chloroplast. I told you already the chloroplasts are found only in plant cells because these chloroplasts are performing photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a food preparation process. Photo means light, synthesis means preparation. So chloroplasts contain a green color pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis, the process by which plants make food. And see the next cell organelle, that is Golgi body or Golgi complex. This cell organelle was discovered by Camillo Golgi. Golgi body modifies proteins and lipids. It synthesizes or modifies the proteins and lipids. It involves in the process materials to be removed from the cell. That means it is involved in the making of or in the process of the removed materials. That means the unwanted materials in the cell. Next, it makes and secrete mucus. Mucus is a slurry substance. Generally, mucus present in our esophagus, food pipe. It is usually it usually improves the movement of food materials or any other substances. Next, the function of Golgi body is packages products into vessels for transport. It packages the products. The Golgi body packages the products into vessels for transportation from one part of the cell to another part of the cell. See the next cell organelle, that is mitochondria. This is the most important cell organelle for both plants and animal cells. Why? Because the mitochondria releases energy as it the site for the aerobic respiration. That is why this mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Means it releases the energy. It gives the power to the cell. So the parts of the mitochondria: inner membrane, outer membrane. The inner membrane folds are known as the cristae, and this space is called matrix. So mitochondria rod shaped with double membrane. Outer membrane is smooth and regular, while inner membrane is folded to form cristae. So the mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Why? Because it releases the energy. The next cell organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum divided into two types based on the presence of the ribosomes. If the ribosomes are located on the endoplasmic reticulum, that endoplasmic reticulum is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. If the ribosomes are absent on the endoplasmic reticulum, that endoplasmic reticulum is known as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now we can see the function of endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum involved works on proteins. It is used to synthesize or process of proteins. Helps complete the proteins after ribosome builds them. Next, the rough endoplasmic reticulum. I told you already, on the rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are attached. The work of rough endoplasmic reticulum is synthesis of proteins or works on proteins. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum means absence of ribosomes on the endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum used to makes membranes. Yes. And now you are seeing the most important cell organelle for the plant cell and animal cell also. This cell organelle is known as the brain of the cell. The name of this cell organelle is nucleus. The name of this cell organelle is nucleus. See, the function of this cell organelle is within nucleus, DNA organized into fibrous material. DNA means deoxyribose nucleic acid. It carries genetic material from one cell to another cell and parental cell to progeny. So DNA means deoxyribose nucleic acid. This is the genetic material, and this material is called chromatin as chromatin network. In normal cell appears as diffuse mass. When cell prepares to divide, means cell division, one cell can divide into two cells, or sometimes one cell can divide into four cells. The cell division also classified into mitosis and meiosis. So you will learn about mitosis in higher studies, in higher class. So when cell prepare to divide, chromatin fibers coil up as separate structures. Those structures are called chromosome. I think you have heard about these chromosomes. These chromosomes carry the genetic material. See, the nucleus contains nucleolus. It has separate nuclear envelope, and it has the chromosomes. I told you already, chromosome. These are the chromosomes, chromatin network. So it carries the genetic material, and also It controls and coordinates all the functions of the cell. That is why this nucleus is called the brain of the cell. Okay, thank you children. Let us continue our lesson in the next class. Make some notes, make some important points from this video lesson. Thank you.